I was prepared very early in the conflict to take that position. And then over the weeks that followed in 2023, the evidence was mounting that pointed to a genocidal intent. What was that? Well, first of all, there was a whole series of outrageous statements by Israeli leaders. And many people immediately said that, well, that's the evidence. There we have the evidence of their plan. I was more cautious on that initially because those statements, are made in the heat of battle. They could be a reaction to the anger and the bitterness that the Israelis felt about the attack by the Palestinians at the beginning of October of 2023. So I didn't want to jump to a conclusion immediately, although those were not irrelevant issues in terms of proving genocidal intent. But then the other thing that contributed to these conclusions, that the people leading Israel now, we're talking about those who are in charge, want to expand the borders of Israel. They want to expand them to at least as far as the Jordan River and to the Mediterranean Sea, in effect swallowing up and annexing Gaza and the West Bank. If they do that, they then have a territory where the population is roughly equally divided between Jewish Israelis and Palestinian Arabs. And that's not viable for them. The only way that works, expanding those borders, is if they get rid of the Palestinians. And so that's a policy. It's clear that's the policy of Netanyahu and the people in his circle around him.